Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that PolySwarm token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, PolySwarm NCT is a decentralized cyber security marketplace that uses a tokenized incentive model to crowdsource threat detection and intelligence. Decentralized security marketplace. It connects enterprises needing threat analysis with a global network or of security expert and automated engines. Utility token NCT. The NCT token is an ERC20 assets used to reward contributors for accurate threat detection and to pay for access to security data. Crowdsourced detection. The platform leverages collective intelligence to identify emerging malware that might be evade traditional collateralized solutions. PolySwarm project institutional rating is 4. PolySwarm token total supply is 1.88 billion and circulating supply is also 1.88 billion NCT token. NCT token is listed on Coinbase, K.io, BitHum and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.